Welcome to today's explainer. Are you tired of standing in long lines just to pay your water bill? Imagine if you could do it all from the comfort of your home, hassle-free. Today, we'll show you exactly how to pay your water bill online in Brownsville, step by step. Seriously, the days of driving across town on your lunch break or stressing out over postal delays, they're officially over. We're going to walk you through taking total control of your utility payments online. So even if you are a complete beginner to all this, you will be a BPUB billing expert by the time we're done. Here is our roadmap for this explainer. We're looking at understanding your BPB bill, setting up your account, online payment options, navigating the website, actually making your payment, and finally, troubleshooting and tips. All right, diving right into Section 1, understanding your BPU bill. Because before you pay, you kind of need to know what you're paying for, right? So, if you look at pages 3 and 4 of your bill, they are just packed with details. First things first, find your account number, your due date, and the total amount due. Then you can check out the itemized breakdown. That covers your electric, water, and wastewater charges. You'll also spot a super helpful 12-month water consumption history graph, plus the standard City of Brownsville fees. Now, here's the absolutely crucial part. Always look for the words estimated no on your meter details. That literally guarantees you're being billed for an actual meter reading and not just a guess. Moving on to Section 2, setting up your account. Back on March 25th, 2026, BPUB launched this brand new, highly modernized customer portal. And getting access? It is incredibly straightforward. Step 1, head over to their official website at brownsville-pub.com. Step 2, look right near the top of the page and click on My Account or Register. And Step 3, just plug in your email address and create a secure password. That is the whole shebang. Now, a quick heads up, because they recently migrated to this shiny new system, even if you were a customer before March 2026, you might still need to register your credentials here, just to make sure all your data is secure and properly linked. All right, Section 3, online payment options. Okay, so setting up that portal account is definitely your best move, and here is exactly why. Take a look at that top row. If you pay through the official BPU Pub online portal using an e-check or a credit or debit card, it's 100% fee-free. No extra charges. Now, compare that to using their automated phone system that tacks on a 95-cent surcharge from a third-party processor. Or if you go through third-party bill pay networks, places like Doxo, you might get hit with various card processing fees or even subscription charges. So, the official portal, it's the clear winner for keeping your hard-earned money in your own pocket. Now, there is a crucial detail to keep in mind, and that's knowing your transaction limits within that fee-free portal. If you decide to use a credit or debit card online, there is a per-transaction limit of $1,000. For most of us in a standard residential household, that is way more than enough to cover the monthly bill. But let's say you're managing a commercial property, or maybe you just have a significantly higher bill to settle 1 month. If you choose the e-check routing option instead, which just means linking your payments straight to your bank account using your account and routing numbers, that maximum limit jumps all the way up to $10,000 per transaction. Let's roll into Section 4, navigating the BPUB website. This new portal is seriously user-friendly. Right from your main dashboard, you can securely pull up your current bill as well as past ones. But the really cool part? It's integrated with advanced metering infrastructure. Basically, that means you can track your energy and water usage in near real time. It's like having a smart meter right on your screen. You can also manage your payment methods, schedule a one-time transaction for a future date, or just set up autopay. And, of course, unlike driving down to a physical office, this whole dashboard is at your fingertips 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Next up, Section 5, making your payment. So let's actually get that bill settled. Once you're logged into your BPUB portal dashboard, executing the payment takes literally seconds. Step 1, you're on the dashboard. Step 2, click over to the payment options menu. Step 3, pick how you want to pay today. One-time pay processes right away. Scheduled lets you pick a specific date before it's due. And autopay, well, you just set it and forget it. Finally, Step 4, enter your card or checking details securely, double-check the amount, and hit confirm. Super streamlined, highly secure. And finally, Section 6, troubleshooting and tics. Because even with a great system, questions pop up. For instance, if you're just moving to Brownsville and setting up brand new residential service, BPUB generally requires a $101 deposit plus a $25 service charge. But here's a massive pro tip. You can actually get that deposit waived. If you can show them proof of 12 months of on-time utility payments from your last provider, or if you can secure a written guarantee, they'll waive it. If not, don't worry, that deposit gets refunded to you after your first 12 months of on-time payments with BPUB. Let's hit a few more rapid-fire best practices. First off, I highly recommend setting up autopay. It is absolutely the best way to make sure you never miss that 15-day due date window, which means zero late fees. Second, if you actually prefer mailing a physical check to their Grapevine, Texas processing center, definitely drop it in the mail at least 5 days early. You know how postal delays can be. Third, if you ever lose your password, don't panic. Just click the reset link right there in the login page. And lastly, if you just need to talk to a real human, call BPUAB directly at 956-983-6121. Okay, before we wrap up, I do need to drop a quick disclaimer. Utility procedures, portal layouts, and fee structures, they can and do update over time. So always verify the latest details directly on the official BPUB website. And remember, whenever you're doing stuff online, you're responsible for safely entering your personal and payment data. Just double check you're actually on the secure official site before typing in your passwords or card numbers. And that brings us to the end of our explainer. So, are you ready to take control of your utility bills right from the comfort of your own couch? Taking just 5 minutes today to set up that online portal is going to save you hours of waiting in line down the road. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Go get online, get registered, and enjoy the convenience.